Hi, it's Kerrin O'Leary, teen correspondent for the shops at Blackstone Valley. Come to the Back to School Bash on Friday, August 26th from 6 to 9 p.m. There will be a 3:44 fashion show and live music and performances. You can even taste from the Lindt chocolate fountain. Yum! There will also be special giveaways and discounts at Glow Tanning and Yankee Candle. Come to the Back to School Bash Friday, August 26th from 6 to 9 p.m. This is Kerrin O'Leary, teen correspondent for the shops at Blackstone Valley.